Hola, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about there are different valves with linear motion plug, which are glove valves owe their name to their shape and are characterized in that the inlet or outlet flow is perpendicular to the obturator axis. There are single-seated, double-seat, and balanced-plug glove valves. The single-seated glove valves, which close against the process pressure, require a larger actuator. Therefore, they are used when the fluid differential pressure is low and minimal leakage through the valve with the plug in the closed position is required. Tight shut-off is achieved with seats fitted with a Teflon washer or other soft material. On double-seat or single-seat valve with balanced plug, the unbalanced force developed by the fluid through the plug is less than in the single-seat valve. This is due to the fact that in the double-seat valve, the fluid acts in opposite directions on the plugs, and in the valve with a balanced plug, it acts above and below the single plug. This is why large valves are used, or when working with a high differential pressure. In the closed position, leakage through the valve is greater than a single-seat valve, since it is mechanically impossible for a double plug to sit perfectly in both seats. As a guide, it can be pointed out that according to the INSI V16-1045-1976 standard, the allowable leaks are 0.1% of the maximum flow rate in the single-seat valve and 0.5% in the double-seat valve. Likewise, the valves with a seat provided with a Teflon ring for tight closure allow a leakage rate of 0.01% kV with a metal seal or 0.0001% kV with a flexible seal, 1 to 40 air bubbles or N2 per minute. The angled valve presents an outlet flow perpendicular to the inlet flow with a less curvilinear path than in a glove valve, so it allows a regular flow rate to be obtained without excessive turbulence, and is also suitable for replacing a glove valve when the fluid circulates with solids in suspension or at excessive speed caused by a high differential working pressure. The design of the valve is ideal for the control of fluids that vaporize or for what we call flashing, that is, for fluids that, within the narrowing existing in the internal parts between the plug and the seat, and due to a high differential pressure, they have increased their speed and are at a pressure below the vaporization point. Under these conditions, the fluid is in a liquid state at the inlet and outlet of the valve, and in a vapor-liquid state inside the valve. In this way, the vapor bubbles formed implode, passing liquid, and can cause serious mechanical damage by colliding with internal parts or with the valve body. The three-way valve is generally used to mix fluids, also known as mixing valves, or to divert from one inlet to two outlet flows, also known as divider valves. Three-way valves are typically involved in heat exchanger temperature control, facilitating very fast temperature control, thanks to the fact that the heating fluid, which can be steam or thermal fluid, can derive through the valve without passing through the exchanger. And well, this will be all for today's video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. I upload videos every Wednesday in Spanish and every Friday in English. Adiós!